Dude, how do you make this longer?
We need something hard.
My dick.
Wrong way. How are you, Daniel?
I'm doing good.
It's your first time back in the park in like how long?
2 years.
I love you.
Yeah.
Stop jerking off, man. That's inappropriate. Oh! Daniel, I love you. Fuck you, boy. Get out of here. Well, fuck me. Oh, you fuck you, you motherfucking bub. I'm not putting this on YouTube anymore.